Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet 3D flower and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like the video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Rico Essential Crochet yarn and hook number 1.6 millimeter. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make 8 chains, then close with slip stitch to make a ring. Then make a chain and make 16 single crochet stitches inside the ring, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I come back. Then I will start round 2. I will make 5 chains as shown now. Then make double crochet above next stitch. And make 2 chains and double crochet above next stitch. Then make 2 chains again and a double crochet above next stitch and repeat with the same sequence across the row. Then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I come back. Then I will start round 3. I will make a chain and make 3 single crochet stitches into every space across the row as shown now. The third single crochet stitch into the same space. Then continue making 3 single crochet stitches into that space and repeat across the row. Then close with slip stitch. Now I finished round 3, then I will start round 4. I will make 7 chains as shown now. Then make triple crochet stitch into the same stitch as shown now here. Then make 3 chains and make 10 double crochet stitches into the space between 7 chains and triple crochet stitch as shown now. Then make slip stitch into the same stitch of 7 chains and triple crochet stitch as shown now. Then turn around and make 9 single crochet stitch around the previous 7 chains, as shown now. I will make 9 single crochet stitches. Then make 3 chains and close with slip stitch. Then start round 5. I will make 3 chains and make slip stitch above next stitch. Then make a chain and make slip stitch again, and make a chain and make slip stitch again, and repeat with the same sequence across the next double crochet stitches as shown now. Then make slip stitch above next single crochet into the round 3 and make slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Then repeat with the same sequence across the next 14 petals. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that flower with the sheep, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please do subscribe and share and like. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.